The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the access panel. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter with its arrow pointing up. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the access panel. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.